So this technique is a yoga ball wall squat. What we're doing is we're taking our yoga ball, we're going to place it on the wall behind our pelvis, just like so. We're going to lean back into it. You can see that if I hold my body straight up and down, I'm actually pushing back into the wall. So my feet are hip width apart, and as I bend down, my knees are going to break forward. Now you'll notice that I don't let my knees go past my toes when I do this. And I'm coming straight up and down. So if I need to move them a little further, I can. A lot of people often start with their feet too far back. I'm really leaning back into this. So I'm going to go up and down just like so, keeping my lower back pressed into the ball, using mainly my quadriceps. If for some reason you have challenge with knee alignment, you can take a block, squeeze it in your upper thighs, just like so, to maintain the distance, and repeat the same process to train good knee tracking. Keeping both feet pointed forward, squeezing in on the block as you do this. But that is a basic ball wall squat.